Patron-in-Chief, All Pakistan Textile Mills Association and Chief Executive of Lake City Holdings, Mr. Gaur Ijaz Saab, thank you for honoring us with your presence today. Mr. Mohsin Naqvi, Chief Executive Officer of the City News Network, thank you very much for participating in today's MOU signing. Our honorable guest from the news network, City News Network, Mr. Salim Bukhari Saab, thank you very much for coming. And all the team members from the channel, we are honored and privileged by your presence today. And my dear faculty, staff and students, thank you all very much for participating in today's ceremony. Industry-academia linkage is something which is very important. And it is something which is very close to my heart. The reason is that if Pakistan wants to succeed and if Pakistan wants to excel, then we need to have these two pivots of the economy working together. Whatever we produce is consumed by the industry. So we are not working in any silo. We are working in an economy, we are working in a country. And if we look at countries that have excelled, countries that have progressed, countries that are at the top of the world right now, they are there because they have the top universities. They are there because they had universities that excelled. And they are there because they had universities that had progressed. So in Pakistan, if we want to progress as a nation, even after 72 years, we have a lot of issues. We need to develop our human talent. We need to develop our people. We need to develop our youth. And we need to develop intellectually. We need to gain knowledge. And we need to then be leaders in the world. And we can only be leaders in the world if we have knowledge. We have Mr. Gaur Ijaz present today, who's been spearheading, I would say, Pakistan's textile sector. And he would agree that to gain global competitiveness, we need R&D. And we need the best products. And we need the best services. And to do that, we need to transition towards a knowledge economy. An economy which is driven by research and which creates products and services which are best in class. Economies that have management practices that outcompete management practices of other nations. Only then we can obviously compete in this world and gain international recognition. So I am very happy today that today we are collaborating with the City News Network, with Mohsin Naqvi Saab, with the City 42 channel, and the Channel 21, and there are also a lot of other channels that this group is running. And when I first met Mohsin Naqvi Saab, he seemed and he was an unassuming character. But when I found out about him, I realized that he's a media genius, and he has his own stature in the field of media. And he is really, I would say, I meet a lot of people who are engaged in the media sector, but he is someone who is a journalist at heart. And this is something which I think is the secret of his success. And we have media students here today, and I would really want you to learn from this person here, because he has those characteristics and he has those qualities which can make you successful. So I would like all of you here to give a round of applause to his struggle and to his achievement. And another thing that I've noticed and I've learned from him in my engagements and in my interactions is that he works like a team player. So this is something which I think we all need to learn. If not all, then I think I need to learn that we need to be part of the team. So leaders are followers. In Pakistan, we have a concept of leadership in which leader is, seen as the almighty and someone who's up there. But from him, I have learned that leadership is basically service. And the concept of servant leadership he's adopted very well. So I'm very happy that we are doing this MOU today, and I hope that the channel and the School of Media and Communications, which was started in 1996, we started with a master's program in media, and we had a lot of greats in the field of media, like Wali Zahid, he started the department. Then we had Mujahid Mansoori Saab. Then we had Dr. Mughis, he was our dean. And we focused on getting the highest possible quality talent together, so we can create professionals that obviously excel in their careers and excel in their lives. And media is it is an industry, is a field which is obviously very close to all Pakistanis, because I think 70% of the time we are watching TV channels. They're watching news, we're watching entertainment. So these are, I think, ambassadors. Media personnel, I think, are ambassadors of Pakistan. And we need to create the best media professionals for this sector. So Pakistan can then obviously create a positive image. We can create a positive image of the country. So we will aim and strive with your collaboration to produce top quality graduates. And we will assist the channel in any way possible, whether it's knowledge sharing, whether it's research, whether it's capacity building, whether it's scholarships for your employees, whether it's anything. We can hold joint events, seminars. UMT is a hub of activities. We hold about 340 events in a year. So we can collaborate in that area. And in the end, I would like to say that whatever we do, our aim and our goal should be service of the nation. So we shouldn't be self-centric. We should be nation-centric, and we should be people-centric. So I'm sure that this MOU will obviously, inshallah, create a positive impact in the field of media in Pakistan and also in the future of the country. Thank you very much.